So before starting questions, guys, can you please tell me, you people all know the divisibility rules? Divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and up to it is 10 and 11. Because we are going to use the divisibility rule only here. Okay, what is the first question? So I'll teach the concepts, okay, regarding that is according to the problems. If a number, see this is a number, how many digits are there? It is not a multiplication symbol, it is x. 84x97, okay, so 6 digits are there, is exactly divisible by 11. So what will be the value of x? So we need to find the digit which will come in the 100 position, okay, 100's place. Okay, so for that we need the divisibility rule of 11. Divisibility rule of 11. So divisibility rule of 11, what does that means? So guys, what you have to do is you have to take the digits, okay, you have to take the odd position numbers and even position numbers. Okay, you have to sum up the odd position number and even position number, then you have to find the difference between them. Okay, odd position number, difference between odd position number minus even position number. So after finding the difference, what we have to do? Actually this answer must be 0 or multiple of 11. If it is so, then the given number is divisible by, exactly divisible by 11. If the answer is not 0 or multiple of 11, then the given number is not divisible by 11. Okay, but here it is clearly said that the given number is exactly divisible by 11. Okay, so when you are finding, okay, the odd portion, the difference between odd portion numbers and even portion numbers, you will get either 0 or multiple of 11. So guys, shall we take the odd portion numbers? So it is 8 plus 4 plus 9, right? So I just sum up the odd portion numbers minus even portion number. 2x7, 2 plus x plus 7. Okay, so this is this must be 0 or multiple of 11. So by using the 0, we can easily find the value of x. So here it is 12, 21, 21 minus 14, 9 minus x. Let it be 0, okay. So we can easily, even you can equal to 0 or a multiple of 11. If it is multiple of 11, we have to include a constant. So let me take 0 itself. It is 21. So 21 minus 9, it is 12, right? Therefore x is equal to, just a minute, this is 21 minus 9 plus x, hence it is 12 plus x is equal to 0 or 11. So if it is 0, then x will be, you will get x as minus 12, so x cannot be minus 12, so it is not equal to 0, hence we can conclude it must be a multiple of 11. If it is 11, then 12 plus x is equal to 11, therefore what is x? Here it is minus x. Therefore what is the value of x? It is 1. So guys, why I didn't take here it is 0. If I take 0 here, I will get x as 12. So x cannot be 12. So let it be multiple of 11. Or first we can take 11 itself. So I got the answer x is equal to 1. Second question. So let n is equal to some number is given here. Okay. So here also some digits are there. Here we want to find a and b, right? Okay. So first we will read the question completely. If n is exactly divisible by 180, then the sum of the digits in n is. So guys, we have to find the sum of the digits of this number n. So to find the sum, we should know the digits exactly, right? Which means that we need to find suppose if I share a screen some whiteboard, I cannot read the question simultaneously, right? Here it is a blank space only, right? So that I am using this space. If we go for a whiteboard or something else, then we cannot read the question simultaneously. If we are having a small space, then we can go for some other whiteboard or some screen. N is exactly divisible by 180. Then the sum of the digits in n is, okay guys, here this number 5ab 42ab, okay, is exactly divisible by 180. So this number is divisible by 180 means then we can write this 180 as 18 into 10, right? So this number must be divisible by 10 also, because 10 is a multiple of 180. If this number is divisible by 180, then this number must be divisible by 10. So guys, we all know when a number is divisible by 10, the last digit must be 0, right? The last digit must be 0. Last digit must be 0. Therefore, we can conclude the value of b is equal to 0. Value of b is equal to 0. So now we need to find only the value of a. Then I will use again the number, this number, okay, that is 18 can be written as 9 into 2, right? Therefore, the given number is also divisible by 9. So here I am going to use the divisibility rule of 9. So the divisibility rule of 9 is sum of the digits must be divisible by 9. Okay, what is the divisibility rule of 9? Sum of the digits. So whenever you want to check any number is divisible by 9 or not, the sum must be divisible by 9. So here it is clearly given that this number is divisible by 180. Therefore this number is divisible by 9 also. So I am going to find the sum of the digits. That is 5 plus a. What is the value of b? I am going to substitute here 0. 4 plus 2 plus a plus 0. So here I'll just add the numbers. So 11 plus 2a. So guys, this number is a multiple of 9, right? So now we have to choose the suitable values for a, for which the sum must be divisible by 9. So if I substitute a is equal to 1, I'll get 13. A is equal to 2, I'll get 15. No, those numbers are not divisible by 9. If I take a is equal to 3, a is equal to 3, 17. No. Next a is equal to 4. A is equal to 5. No, right? Then a is equal to 6, 7. When I choose a is equal to, okay, some 7 means it is 14, 25. So a is equal to 8. If I choose a is equal to 8, then it is 2 into 8, 16. So 11 plus 16, which is actually is equal to 27. So guys, this is a multiple of 9. Okay. So this value we have got because since we have taken a is equal to 8. Therefore we can conclude a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 0. So now we'll substitute. Okay, here even we no need to substitute here, right? Because we have already found the sum. It is 27. Therefore answer is option C, 27. Next, question number 3. So guys, this number is divisible by 12 means then this number is divisible by 4 as well as 3 also. Okay, first we can use the divisibility rule of 4. So any number is divisible by 4 means the last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. So I can choose from options. If I choose 4, 42 will not be divisible by 4, and then you can choose 3. So here if you are choosing p is equal to 3, yes, 32 is divisible by 4, but if you are using 3 here means then this you can take only this number. This is not a digit, this is a multiplication symbol. So you can check only for this number. Okay, that is 9p2. Suppose if I take p is equal to 3, what's happening? 9 plus 3 plus 2. This comes as 14. 14 will not be divisible by 3. So that p is equal to 3 is wrong. Next, if I choose p is equal to 2, 22 will not be divisible by 4. If I choose p is equal to 1, okay, so then it is satisfying both the divisibility rules. So it is 9 plus 1 plus 2, it is 12. Okay, so if the last 2 digits is 12, it is divisible by 4, and sum of the digits is also 12. Therefore it is divisible by 3 also. Hence only 1 is satisfying both the rules. Therefore p is equal to 1. We are moving on to finding the number of factors. Do you know how to find the number of factors? Suppose if I take some number 4, what are the factors of 4? It is 1, 2 and 4, right? If I take 5, only 1 and 5. If I take 6, what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and this number itself, right? So guys, each and every number is having some number of factors. So here we need to find the number of factors of the number 240. So writing like this manually for the that is factors of this 240, it is possible, but it will be more time taking. So what is any other method we are having to find the number of factors for this number, to find the factors of this number? Now that is only the number of factors, not all the factors. So I'll tell you the method. So guys, whatever the number you got in this place, what you have to do is you have to do the prime factorization of the number. You will have to find the powers of primes. You have to write this number as powers of primes. So it is okay, then 240 can be written as 2 power 4 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. So whenever you have got 2 power a into some 3 power a, that is powers of primes, 3 power b and some number, okay, base you can get any prime numbers, and you will get some power numbers also. Guys, you have to take the power numbers. Okay, suppose if you are having, I am writing here in general form, p power a into q power b into some r power c. Okay, these are all powers of primes. So you have to take the numbers, you have to add 1 with that, and you have to multiply. So this will give you the number of, suppose it is a x, okay, then number of factors of x. That is equal to a plus 1 into b plus 1 into c plus 1. So this is going to be the answer for this number of factors of x. So the same thing here also, what you have to do, it is 4 plus 1, it is not equal, it is which implies number of factors into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. You have to take the power numbers, just add 1 with that and multiply the answers, that's it. So 5 into 2 into 2. Therefore it is 20. So answer is 20, option D. Yeah, question number 5. In how many ways can 800 chocolates be distributed equally? Actually what you have to do, okay, we'll start with basic example. See guys, if suppose I am having one chocolate, okay, I can give it to only one person. Suppose if I have 2 chocolates, see guys, here it is distribution, okay, hence giving to one person, it is wrong, okay. So let me take the number 800 itself. I am having 800 chocolates, okay. If there is only one person, I'll give all the chocolates to this one person itself, okay. Here the number of persons is not mentioned. So suppose if I am having, if there are 2 persons, what I'll do, I'll give 400 to each person, 400 to each, right? Next, suppose if there are 3 persons, can I do the equal distribution? If there are 3 persons, equal distribution is possible or not? Very good. Very good. Who is that? Yes, Jack, you are right. Hence, I cannot, if there are 3 persons, I cannot do the distribution. If there are 4 persons, then I can give 200 to each. If there are 5 persons, I can give 160 chocolates to each. If there are 6 persons, distribution is possible? No, right? So how I am checking distribution is not possible? How I am deciding for these numbers? Because these numbers will not divide this 800. This when the distribution is not possible because of these numbers, right? Okay. Why distribution is not possible means, equal distribution is not possible means this number will not divide this 800. Okay, since this 5 is dividing this number, so that I can do the equal distribution. So guys, what you are getting now from this one? Actually what we have to find? For this question, what I need to find? If I find that one, then I'll get the number of ways. Very good, very good. Number of factors. Very good, Ajay. Yes, it is number of factors. So guys, here I am going to, so writing like this keep on will give you answer, but we no need to write like that. Just write the powers of primes. So 800 is equal to 2 power 5 into 5 power 2. Therefore 5 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. So 6 into 3, it is 18. But here we have to subtract this 1, right? Because if you are giving all the chocolates to one person, so it is not a distribution. Okay. So guys, we need to subtract 1 from that. So distribution can be possible in 70 number of ways.